Hello traders, how was the day today? In the morning when we were in the pre-market plan, these were the three different paths that we were looking at, that we can come down here, go back straight up, hit this resistance area, come down to the Globex support and then keep going up, right? And the next option was that if we want to come down and retest the 1975 area, this may be a path that the price will follow and then again come back up here. Otherwise, we will have a path like we will have a trading range and then it will break out, and maybe in the process we will create some higher lows. So these are the three different options that we had, and this was the second option was the one that worked out today. So let us take a look at what happened. Overnight, we stayed within this 15-point range, and I was of the idea that if this 15-point range is not breaking out, either on the upside or on the downside, nothing is going to happen, because after a very strong bull day, you can actually expect this after a new breakout, after a new all-time high. You can actually expect this very much, and we got the TR. When we came to the New York session, you see that we had a bullish bias to the whole thing. We were in a TR, but we had a bullish bias to the whole thing. So let us see how we traded this. Let us get back to the RTA chart. The way we ended the day yesterday was very bearish, right? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars bearish. So I was thinking that we will come down once again. I scalped a little bit in bar 1, but I was not very sure that if we do not break out this area, then we are not going to go any high, right? And since I was expecting a trading range, I did not want to buy so high. However, when the market started coming down, I was just scalping in this idea. I was not understanding what the market was trying to do. There are multiple bars in the same direction, but it was in response to this drop, right? So I did not have any idea till what point it could go. So this was the height of this total move down, and then we had this total move down, which I thought will be coming down to the 441.5 area again to the Globex low, which it never did. So that's okay. I did not take any trades here, just a little bit of scalp here and there for a couple of points. But then what happened was I saw this wedge happening. This wedge happened. Bar number 21 trapped bears under bar number 20. If you see, there is a one tick difference between these two bars. So the bears got trapped here, and then we went and created this nice bull body gap. Once we created this bull body gap, this candle number 25 tried to come below the body gap but failed and posted a green bar. And then I actually went long above candle number 26 with around a couple of contracts. I kept my stop loss below this. I did not want to keep a wider stop loss here because I was completely confused at this point. So when I am confused, I trade very small and I keep very tight stop losses, so that okay, if it hits, it hits. And then if I have 2 to 3 such trades back to back, I normally step out of the market on such a day. Right. However, this worked out. We went long here with 2 contracts. My first profit taking was here. I was expecting that we will get to the high of the day. However, we could not get to the high of the day, and I came out of my second contract when this bar number 33 happened. Again, I was not shorting. If you see here, we had a 2-legged pullback on the bottom, and then we had this bar. As soon as we had this bar, I actually drew this channel line. Okay, the bottom trend line. If you want to convert it into a channel, it can be done, or we can just take it, and that point of time, this was the high and we went there, right? So this we can call as the channel at this point. And then when this actually came down, we could have pulled it down a little bit here. See, that is where the actual channel is. So again, this bull gap formed here. This bar broke down the bull gap, but since we did not have any follow through beyond this, so the bull gap stayed open, and then we had this nice signal bar 41. I went long above this. Now, why did I go long above this so close to the 55 line? The reason is this is a higher low that we had, right? And since we had a higher low, our target was to get to the top of the HOD. Since we had a higher low, the idea was that okay, this time it will go above this, and if we go above this, we will get to the HOD. So I held on with my 2 contracts here. Again, a very small size. My stop loss was right here. I took my first contract at the HOD, and the second contract I came out at the previous day high. So these were the two trades that I took. I did not take any trade after this, but see, after this, it was a very pretty good rise up. And the best part of the day is we had a breakout yesterday on the daily chart, and today we got a follow through. So this is giving us confidence that since that we got a follow through, we may actually get a 1:1 of the breakout on the upside, and we may go deep into the 5600 area, and see the target becomes 5633, which is exactly the generic support and resistance line that we have. So that's it from me for now. Please like, share, and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification icon. I will be publishing the plan for tomorrow in some time. We will again meet tomorrow morning at 8:45 a.m. EST in the Google Meet. The link to the Google Meet is given in the description below. Along with that, you also have the link to the Discord server and the Facebook page, and you're very welcome to join both of these. Have a great rest of the evening, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.